Hi everyone, I bought one some time ago. Desktop SMT flying shot placement machine. The model is Ultra. The actual use experience is very efficient and stable. I'm going to give you a little hands-on demo today. Focus on PCB solder paste printing, basic operation of software, and Red Dragon Reflow soldering hot plate. This is a simple PCB bracket made by myself. Now start printing solder paste. Hot plate heating area is limited. You can only place up to 4 PCs. I only print 1 PCB at a time. Better control of quality. Overall, very good. No tin at all. The solder paste is evenly distributed. The printed PCB, put it on the PCB magnetic bracket. The magnetic structure is easy to use. One snap to secure, no tedious locking require. Connect the machine to the computer via USB. After the self-test is completed, click Start. After power on, auto-calibrate the mechanical origin and nozzle. It's very intelligent. Before placement, check it out. Bulk feeder, and check if the auto feeder position is accurate. Restart retains accurate placement parameters. No repeated calibration, excellent stability. Now check the bulk feeder. Check bulk feeder usage quantity. Manage PCB boards. Start calibrating PCB origin and mark points. Manual calibration. Select 2 components as fiducial. Calibrate with 2 diagonal components. Calibrate the second one. Click to apply to the current version. PCB calibration is complete. Click on a few components to check the location. Click to start placement. Prompt whether to array placement. Press OK. Machine enters automatic run mode. Switch to machine operation view now. Speed is set to 20%. Up to 100% full speed, high efficiency. You can see that the position is very accurate. Complete. Check the effect of the placement. The actual machine is not that loud. Because I put it on the table, it's a little louder. Uses Red Dragon Reflow soldering hot plate. I put 4 pieces of synchronous heating at one time. Start heating now. Long press to start. Target temp reached, constant heating on. It will stay at 170 degrees for a while. Now entering the return state, auxiliary correction element position. Reflow improves accuracy. Take out the finished product to view. No skew, no tin, no virtual welding. The effect is ideal. Share at the end. Some of the accessories I 3D printed. Strip feeders are included with the machine purchase. I printed a dust cover for the camera. Vision feeder also equipped with a dust cover. It also plays a dust protection role. And some trays. for small components like dividers and chips. Thanks for watching.